Today I'm going to show you how to remove the floating box artifact on top of Taskbar from Windows 11, like you can see right here. So here we have a little floating icon and you can remove this if you follow this tutorial. It's quite annoying. You can see it, we can't click on it. It's kind of blocking our clicking and it's quite annoying. So let's remove it. So start Task Manager, right click Windows icon and select the Task Manager. You might need to use the arrow keys if it's blocking you. You can also hold Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Inside of here you will scroll down until you find the search section. Expand that. Inside here you find the minisearchhostexe. End that task and your annoying little floating box should instantly disappear. Fantastic. For some people it helps to restart Windows Explorer, so if it didn't fix it, right click on Windows Explorer and click Restart. And it should indeed fix your problem. Alright, so now we have temporarily fixed this problem. That's quite amazing. But how do we remove this permanently if it comes up a lot of the times? Well, right click this minisearchhostexe and click Open File Location. You will get into Windows System Apps and Microsoft Windows Client. Inside here, copy the minisearchhostexe and then you will paste it in. You will need to be an admin to do this. Now we'll rename this copy something like the name of the file and old backup if we need to revert this in case it breaks something in the future. It hasn't done for me so far, but if it does, we can revert it. Here we have the minisearchhost.exe and here we have the searchhost.exe. Copy the searchhost.exe and paste it in there so we will make a copy of this. What we're going to do is trick Windows that the minisearchhost basically don't exist. So go into minisearchhost.exe and rename it, or click F2 to rename it. Then you will copy the entire name, minisearchhost.exe. If the problem has come back for you, well, open Task Manager again and the minisearchhost.exe should be running. So you will need to kill that process like we did earlier in order to remove it. Now we'll right click on it and click remove. We actually throw this away, we already have a backup. Now go to searchhost.exe, well, the copy actually, and just paste over the minisearchhost.exe name we copied before. Paste it in there. And there you have. The searchhost.exe is now in two versions, but one is called minisearchhost.exe. And this basically does that Windows won't be able to run the minisearchhost.exe and you will be able to not have those issues. The other way to solve this issue is actually to disable Windows Search altogether. But this method is much better because the usual Windows Search works as normal and I actually haven't noticed any difference with the minisearchhost.exe gone. I don't know actually what it does, it seems to be no information online on what it does. I suppose it helps keep track of your files and I don't know, it may be a spyware, who knows. Minisearchhost.exe might improve some speed of search results, but that annoying floating box is so annoying that I think I'm good without it. So hope this little tutorial helped you to solve your issue, and if it did solve your issue, then you should definitely leave a like and keep tuned for future tech tutorials. This has been your host, Jimodism, and we're signing out.